Hey everyone, welcome back to HighTech, where we share the best tips and tricks to help you succeed. Today I have something amazing to share: an updated team invite link to get Canva Pro for free, for life, in July 2024. Yes, you heard right. Canva Pro, with its thousands of premium templates, unlimited stock photos, videos and elements, advanced design tools and priority support, can be yours for free forever. But here's the secret. This link updates daily to make sure it always works. Now, you're probably wondering how to get this fantastic offer. It's easy. Click the link in the description below and you'll be on your way to enjoying all the incredible features of Canva Pro. But wait, there's more. To make sure you never miss an updated link, join our Telegram group. We post the latest Canva Pro invite links every day, so you'll always have access. The link to our Telegram group is also in the description. Imagine having access to exclusive design elements, creating stunning visuals easily, and impressing everyone with your top-notch designs, all for free, for life. With Canva Pro, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and check the description to join our Telegram group and get your Canva Pro invite link. Don't miss out on this lifetime opportunity. And remember, the link updates daily, so keep checking back for the latest access. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!